Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, support. Welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of this beautiful cut work designing on the sleeves, also on the neckline you can create it. And for the designing, I'd be using antique bronze Zardozi string of small size. We have to give the markings of 1 by 1 inch checks box like this. It's up to you. It's on the neckline we have to give the 2 lines markings like this, and on the sleeves, complete sleeve designing you can try it, or else simple with the 2 lines markings like this. So on each and every line I'll be placing this Zardozi string and giving an overlapping stitches on it like this. Ensure to hold it the Zardozi string promptly while stitching so that it will not stretch, or else you'll get the loosen finishings. So concentrate on it, hold firmly like this and give the stitches so that your outcome will really looks very good with the neat finishings. So first horizontal lines I'll be creating. Next to this, the small lines which is of 1 inch I had cut accordingly of that, and I'd be inserting in the needle and giving the stitches. It's of vertical stitch, and for this stitching I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. This is how we have to stitch the vertical lines. Each and every line we have to give the stitch. If you want to try this design on your old blouses also, you can try it. Remove the side stitches, fix the frame and follow the instructions which I am showing in this video. Like that you can also try this on already stitched blouses. I have stuck the rhinestone with the designer ring. This is how it looks. And next to this, the cross lines has to be stitched like this, which is of 1 centimeter in length crosswise. I left 1 box in each line. So 1 box with the flower designing and 1 box will be carried forward with the cut work. This is how the designing will be continued, and the cross lines has to be stitched in this way. These materials you can easily get in fancy stores, ladies corners or any tailoring material shops. Also the links has been provided in the description box. This is how each box has to be filled with the cross lines. These patterns will really looks heavy, but you don't know how much easy these designs are. The heavy looking designs are very simple to do it if you know how to do that method. And now I'll be using yellow color anchor thread of 6 strands to give the flower like look in between these gaps. And this is how we have to create the long French knot for the creating of the flower. We'll get 5 to 6 lines in each side of the box. This is how we have to give the filling. And now that the designing is done, we'll go for the cut work with the leftover boxes. For that I'd be using doop stick. You can also use the mosquito coil or any shouldering iron as per your availability. And this is how we have to burn the leftover boxes. As I'm working on tissue silk fabric, it will burn easily, but if you are working like the cotton mixed fabrics, you have to apply the glue so that you'll get the nice and clean finishings while burning. This is how leftover boxes has to be burnt, and once completed the pattern would look like this. I had placed the contrasted color fabric underneath and the final lookout would look like this. Really friends, this will look so awesome. You must try these type of patterns which is so simple to do at home. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles. May be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.